The centre is reaching out to the youth of militancy-hit Kashmir Valley through professional training and jobs. Union Minister Jairam Ramesh handed out job letters to 50 girls in North Kashmir town of Sopore, one of the worst affected due to militancy. So far, 5,000 youth have got jobs under the central scheme called Himayat, and it aims to cover 1 lakh youth over a period of 5 years.
Union Minister Jairam Ramesh in the militant hotbed of Sopore, handing out job letters to boys and girls trained under a central scheme that aims at reaching out to the youth in Jammu and Kashmir. Called Himayat, the scheme that was launched last year aims at eliminating the sense of alienation among the youth by arming them with professional training and giving them jobs. And Jairam's presence was a signal that the government is committed to engaging with the youth, even in militancy-infested areas.
I think Sopore is also psychological, when you read the Indian newspapers, Sopore is associated with militancy, but nobody thinks that, you have a center like this in Sopore.
मैंने इनसे कहा आप कहाँ खोल रहे हैं? इन्होंने कहा श्रीनगर, जम्मू, उसके बाद में और तीसरा नाम नहीं मिला इनको. तो मैंने कहा आप सोपोर में जा रहे हैं कि नहीं? नो सर, वेरी डिफिकल्ट एरिया टू गो. कुछ बहाने इन्होंने मुझे बताया.
The scheme plans to cover 1 lakh youth over 5 years. So far, over 5,000 have got jobs. A dream come true for people like Kausar, who is among the 50 girls who trained in Sopore and have now got jobs. Kausar will now work with the local health centre.
बहुत सारी बदलाव लाई है सर. जैसे कि सर मैं पहले ड्रॉप आउट, मैं पहले घर में बैठी थी, घर का काम कर रही थी. अब मैं इतना आगे बढ़ चुकी हूँ कि मैं अपने पैरों पे खड़ी हो चुकी हूँ, घर की मदद कर सकती हूँ, घर वालों पे बोझ नहीं बन सकी मैं.
Nearly 1,000 boys and girls have got jobs outside the state, but there have been complaints of harassment.
I sympathize with the sentiment that, youth of Jammu and Kashmir, unfortunately, are looked upon suspiciously even today. And I think it's, as an Indian, I find it unacceptable that this is the case. And I share the anguish and pain of the boys and girls of Kashmir.
And as the 2-decade-long conflict has left thousands of orphans in Kashmir, Jairam announced that the Himayat scheme will now be extended to orphans as well.
Employability model and Himayat scheme is already having a positive impact here. Opening of a Himayat center in Sopore, a militant hotspot and a separatist bastion, was considered as a major challenge for the government. In less than 6 months, the challenge has been turned into opportunity. In Sopore, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.